This time we're supposed to find the periods for the following frequencies. Remember, the formula for frequency says frequency is equal 1 over period. If you want to find the period, you have to eliminate the fraction, means you have to multiply both sides equation by t. T and t will cancel out. T times f is equal 1. I'm looking for t, period. In order to find t, I have to eliminate the multiplication. That's why I have to divide both sides equation by whatever is multiplied to t. I have to divide by f. So formula for period is t equals 1 over f. Let's take a look at the first example. We're supposed to find the period, and t is equal 1 over f. This is equal 1 over 16 hertz. Because I have no prefix, I simply enter this fraction into the calculator by 1 divided by 16. And you're supposed to get the answer 62.5 times 10 to negative 3 on your calculator. Some of your calculators are going to show 62.5 e negative 3. It means this is 62.5 milliseconds. Milli, because I have power of 10, 10 to negative 3, and seconds, because I'm looking for time. This is the solution for this problem. Let's take a look at this one. Again, I'm supposed to find the period. Period is equal 1 divided by frequency. This is equal 1 divided by 35 kilohertz. How are you supposed to enter this into the calculator? Simply type 1 divided by, and you are going to have 35 exp 3, 35 exp, because k is power of 10 and k represents 10 to the third power. That's why I type exp to the third and press equal sign. You're supposed to get the answer 28.57 times 10 to negative 6. Or some calculators are going to show 28.57 e minus 6. This is nothing else, just 28.57 microseconds. Micro because 10 to negative 6, power of 10, is represented by micro. And because I'm looking for time, period, I'm supposed to write seconds. That's why this is the answer to this problem. Let's take a look at this one. T is equal 1 over f. 1 divided by 180 megahertz. How are you supposed to enter this into the calculator? 1 divided by, remember the fraction by represents the division, 180 exp, because I have mega, I have to write 6 over here, because mega represents the power of 10, 10 to the 6, and simply type equal sign. You're supposed to get 5.55 times 10 to negative 9, or 5.55 e to the negative 9, where the final answer is 5.55 nanoseconds. Why? Because 10 to negative 9 is represented by nano, and s seconds because I'm looking for time. Let's take a look at this example. Period is equal 1 over f. 1 divided by 4.5 gigahertz. Remember that giga represents the power of 10 to the 9th. That's why the answer is going to be 222.22 picoseconds. This is the solution to this problem.